once you understand the method carefully, it becomes very convenient. There was a time when the settings went wrong. The internet connection is smooth, so it and number 39 is suitable for travelers to Malaysia. You can check it out. Good rates and convenient to install. This all-you-can-eat data plan in Malaysia was smooth and had a stable internet speed from start to finish. Highly recommend it. Good choice of eSIM package. The Bion Leap's signal was 2 bars, but the transmission speed was quite smooth. Since the hotel and number 39's Wi-Fi was paid, I needed an unlimited plan, and I used this one because it was the cheapest. I always had to buy a SIM card, but this one saved me the hassle of carrying it around, was easy to register, and I could even receive all the calls I received on my regular phone. It and number 39's so convenient. I highly recommend it. It runs smoothly with no data limits, and it and number 39's very cheap. Discounts make it a great deal. It is very convenient that you don't need to change the card, and you can also receive SMS and calls from the original number. Smooth, easy to use, faster than others, the speed is okay in the desolate places of Langkawi and Penang. Easy installation and stable internet connection. However, the comment input keeps crashing and is very difficult to use. And why is there a 20-character limit? Easy and simple to install, reliable and convenient. No more worries about losing physical cards. The entire trip was within the city, the furthest being Batu Caves, and the internet connection was stable and there were no problems. Loved using my eSIM on this trip. Super easy to activate and worked perfectly the whole time. I'll definitely use it again for my next travel. Convenient and quick, you can buy and install directly without any problems. Convenient and quick, you can buy and install directly without any problems.